Looking for the right socket driver? They're all right here. Fit 7 tools into 7 inches of space with the 7-in-1 impact flip socket from Klein Tools. In this video, we'll take a look at the key features of this remarkably compact and versatile tool. Klein Tools' 7-in-1 impact flip socket is a reliable fastening tool essential for a well-organized toolkit. This impact-rated tool is made out of durable, hardened steel and is compatible with any impact driver. The flip socket features 6 integrated hex sizes, ranging from a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch bit holding feature, and 3 interchangeable sockets that can be stored conveniently on the driver shaft. Each socket is color-coded and contains a powerful rare earth magnet that keeps bits and hex head fasteners secure. The detachable sockets let you quickly and thoroughly remove metal shavings, keeping your workspace clean. Get more info about the Klein Tools 7-in-1 impact flip socket here. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.